My name is Alain, and I'm 52 years old. Back in April, or I guess it would have been earlier, in probably January of 2018, my wife, who is an ultra runner, started getting what she thought was a cold. So she decided to go get checked out, and when she did, we discovered that she had lung cancer. It was a shock, and of course, when you discover it's stage 3B lung cancer, you realize it's pretty severe, and the survival rate is very low. And unfortunately, when we discovered this, we realized that the way lung cancer works is it's hard to detect, and by the time you do find out, it's usually at a very dangerous stage. So our life changed pretty quickly. I think more money needs to be put towards the earlier detection. Of course, a cure is the ultimate goal, but earlier detection, so at least people have a chance to fight this horrible cancer.